Hello everyone, today we are going to review another UI UX course according to this parameter. This review will be helpful for those who are freshers or who are willing to switch their career into this profession. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which is better according to my recommendation. I will add the link in the description. You can definitely check out from there. So, let's start with the review. It's a UI UX design course by Apponix Academy and it is in Bangalore. And if we go down, these are the skills covered in the design course. User research is there, wireframing and prototyping is there, testing is there, UI design is there. And if we, these are the key features, placement is there, hands-on project is also there, and flexible option is also there. These are the tied up companies, testimonials, placement. This is the syllabus and nothing else. Portfolio is also there, responsive web layout is also there. These are the trainers. This is the overview. Figma is there, UI design is there, wireframing and same as above. And if we go down, these are the highlights. Career after completion of the course, FAQs, nothing else. Like they didn't mention any proper detailing about the UI design modules or user research modules, like what they are going to teach, and specifically they have not mentioned about the tools, and they have just a short overview about the UI UX design in points only. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, curriculum will be 0, user research and fundamental will be again 0. UI design quality is 1 because they are providing UI designing also. Hand-on project is there, so it's a 1 for me. Tools and software is training is 0 because they didn't mention any specific tool. They are going to teach you about AI tools and all. Mentorship feedback is there, so it's a 1 for me. And portfolio development is also there, 1. Placement and career support is there, it's 1. Course values fees is 0. Industry relevance update is also 0 because it's not look like a future oriented course which I recommend to pursue, or it didn't contain any about AI tools or any UI UX specific tools. So if we give a rating according to these parameters, it's a 5 out of 10, and it's average course. I'm not able to get the more information about this course because they didn't mention any specific fundamentals about the UI UX. So I would give 5 out of 10 rating. There are many better courses in the market which covers all the parameters in the list. Also, I will add the best UI UX course link in the description, which covers all the parameters related to UI UX and also helping UI design quality, tools and software training, and which is future oriented course, specifically also helping placement and career support after completion of course. I will add the link in the description. You can check out from there. And if you have any query related to UI UX or any mentorship or feedback related to design fundamentals, you can definitely drop your comment. I will help you guys. Thank you.